Hello, my name is Ichiro and welcome back to another video. Now, I'm gonna tell you what I'm planning on modifying on my Honda CRF 250L Rally. I'm just gonna refer to it as the Rally from now on. So first of all, I forgot the site, but I'll link it in the description below. I'm gonna get a full crash cage, the upper bars, a skid plate, lower bars, the complete set, because I know I'm gonna drop it, then I might as well protect it. That's gonna be the first and most important mod. Second of all, I'm gonna change the tires to something more off-roady, but also capable on the road, because, well, I wanna be able to do road trips with it, even though I have my Suzuki. Then, I would like to, in one go, do a full exhaust system, a different air filter, and a EJ Cave jetting tuner. And well, that's gonna make it a lot more responsive, which I want, because I've ridden the normal L and I find the engine to be a bit unresponsive. So what else do I want to do? Maybe a graphics kit or something. I would like to do some heated grips. I would like to, there's this seat concepts seats you can buy for them. I'm gonna look them up, see what they cost. I might order one. I would like to attach one of those ropes to the back so when it gets stuck I can just pull it out of the mud. I'm never gonna ride alone, so that might not be an issue. A rear luggage rack. Maybe also a headlight protector, like one of those mesh things. Yeah, mesh. What else? I might a larger rear sprocket. Who knows? I mean, I don't really think for my level that I need it to be more, but I mean, I guess we'll see. So that's gonna be roughly it. If I for some reason don't like doing off-road riding, I'm gonna put some road tires on it and make it into a touring engine, touring motorcycle. Either way, I'm gonna keep the motorcycle. I might do a 300 stroker kit from the 250 or a CBR 300 engine, because they have a bit more torque down low, and from what I've heard on the forums on Facebook, they're really helpful. Those extra 50cc's really help. Not wake it up, but just more rideable off-road. It already is very capable. Then up next, I might just run a how do you call it? A different rear shock, so it's a bit more stiffer and adjustable for my weight. I don't weigh a lot, so it's not gonna need to be changed a lot, I think. I don't know, I know nothing about suspension. And the front one, I want the upgraded spring. I think it was a heavier spring and heavier fork oil. Is there anything else? Oh yeah, I want a charging port. And I don't know, some extras, somewhere I can attach a GPS, maybe to the windscreen, a phone mount. I mean, yeah, that's about it. That's a lot of work already. Maybe some plastic or protective bits here and there, but that's gonna be about it. A chain protector, a rear disc guard, a front disc guard definitely is gonna have to go on there, because the last thing you wanna encounter on a trail is a rock to your front disc and having it warped or broken. It doesn't happen a lot, but if it happens, you're fucked. Like, completely fucked. But yeah, that's about it. That's what I want to do on my CRF. I'll put as much links as I can in the in the description below. So yeah, that was my video. Thank you for watching. My name is Sujiro, and if you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. And maybe hit that little bell icon in the corner so you don't miss any of my uploads. You know how YouTube is. Hopefully. So yeah, thank you for watching, and on to the next one. Peace.